Amager Beach, located east of Copenhagen, Denmark, is a great destination for those who want to relax and enjoy the sea air in the heart of the city. With its long white sand and clear blue sea, Amager Beach attracts tourists both in summer and winter. Amager Beach is located east of Copenhagen, Denmark, stretching on the east coast of the island of Amager. With a strategic geographical location, this beach is located only about 5 kilometers east of Copenhagen city center, convenient for access from the center and surrounding areas. Amager's warm summers and cold winters create a diversity of experiences for visitors. During summer, the beach bustles with sunbathers and participating in water activities, while in winter, the beach's pristine and peaceful setting allows for pleasant strolls. Coral reefs are one of the most important and beautiful parts of the ocean, providing rich biodiversity and color under the sea. Formed from the accumulation of living structures of coral organisms, coral reefs create a vibrant environment for thousands of marine species. These girls are not only beautiful images but also symbols of confidence and health. They enjoy life, making the beach more alive with their charm and dynamism. Amager Beach, with its natural beauty and modern amenities, makes an important contribution to Denmark's tourism industry. The influence of this beach not only increases the number of tourists coming to Copenhagen, but also brings many economic and social benefits to the country. In addition, beach tourism also helps raise awareness about environmental conservation and sustainability awareness among local communities and tourists. Activities such as beach cleaning, marine conservation education and support for environmental protection projects are all promoted to preserve the natural beauty of the beach. Don't miss the opportunity to experience and explore with us. Subscribe to Wandering channel today to receive the latest videos and weekly updates. Thank you for your support and accompanying us on our journey to explore the world.